Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to log into Pokémon Master EX. First, open the Pokémon Master EX app on your mobile device. Once the app loads, you'll see the title screen. Tap the prominent Start button to proceed. From there, you'll be presented with options to choose your login method, whether you're a new player or returning. It's a straightforward process to get you into the game quickly. For the most secure experience and to save your game data, we highly recommend linking a Nintendo account. Simply select the Nintendo account option. You'll then be prompted to enter your Nintendo account email address and password. After successfully logging in, confirm the linking process. This ensures your progress is safely stored and accessible across devices, giving you peace of mind. If you prefer to play without linking an account immediately, you can choose Guest Login for quick access. However, for returning players, transferring your existing data is crucial. Select the data transfer option and input your unique transfer ID and password. Make sure you have these details handy from your previous device to seamlessly pick up right where you left off in your adventure. Encountering login issues can be frustrating, but there are simple steps to try. First, always check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. Sometimes, a quick restart of the Pokémon Master EX app or even your entire device can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, consider checking for app updates. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals you won't want to miss. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.